right, hey guys, so does this look familiar? Well, guess what? This is the old school way of hanging a TV. We are gonna hang our TV in under 3 minutes on this brand new thing I found on TikTok called HangSmart TV. Yep, our 65-inch TV is gonna go just on these tiny two little mounts. And the best part is I do not need to wait for my husband, no studs, and no handyman. Let's check it out. Look at this damage. This is absolutely crazy. The old mount, one screw caused this much damage. So the coolest part about this is that in the box, it comes with this color-coded ruler. It matches up to any TV on the market. So as you can see, we are the green holes here. So we are gonna take this and then put it on the wall. So this is the hook. There are 2 of these in each box. It goes on the back of the TV. Yep, that is the only thing that goes on the back of the TV. So you'll take your hooks and your screws, and you'll go ahead and screw them in just like this. Okay, so now we have our ruler on the wall, the height that we want. We remember that we had our TV, it matched these green holes. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and match my mount right up to the holes. And I'm gonna go ahead and start hammering in. All right, so we just finished our first mount. We are now gonna go in and do our second mount with our 4 nails. Okay, so now that our mount is on the wall and our screws are on the TV, we are good to go. It is time to hang the TV. All right, so as you can see, I hung it on the wall. I am ready to go. Everything looks beautiful, clean, and wow, HangSmart TV is amazing.